Hi guys! Kamusta na kayo guys? Okay, so today, wala naman masyado. It's just the first day of it is a Monday, and I've decided that I want to be straight. Char lang, straight hair. Tingnan mo, yung hair ko. Yung hair ko wavy siya. Alam yung parang hair ni Santo Niño. Or hair ng nanay. So yun nga, para naman may straight sa buhay ko, straighten natin yung buhok natin. Okay? So I've been searching sa YouTube kung ano yung mga ways kung paano straighten yung hair. At nakita ko yung Carla, parang straightening cream. At dahil wala akong makitang Carla straightening cream, ito lang nakita ko sa Watsons. Itong hair rebond system. So it is by Monea. So ito yung gagamitin natin para ma-straighten yung ating hair. So this is the Monea hair rebond system now with keratin, soft, shiny, pinny, straight hair. Actually, bala ko talaga sana mag-salon, kaya lang malamang ang rebond sa salon, di ba? 1,000 million pesos yun, yung 88,000 million piso. 88 million piso, dollar. 600,000. Parang mahal sa salon. So sabi ko, kung pwede mo naman gawin sa sarili mo, edi ikaw na lang, kahit hindi ka professional hairdresser. Pero ikaw bahala, kung marami kang pera, di magpasalon ka. Ako, okay, lagi kong, yung mga ginagawa ko sa hair ko, ako lang lagi. Kaya nagkaganito. Pero wala akong pake. At least nakatipid ako. Alam ko may gunting ako sa baba, pero tinatamad akong kunin. So, COVID is waving. Kinagat ko pa, hindi ko pa na-sanitize. Ayoko na. Joke lang. There we go. Sino yung model niya? Si Nano?
สวัสดีค่ะ นันโนนะคะ
So what's inside this box is flyer. Charot. Instruction ata to. Okay, sige, basahin natin yung instruction later. We have the number 1, number 2. So ano kayong uunahin dito? Syempre number 2. Char, hindi, number 1. Shampoo hair. Sa wakas, mas-straighten ko na tong hair na to. Alam mo ba, lagi ako naman problema dito kasi mukha na siyang dugyot. Ano na pag pinawisan ako duko, ang dugyot. Ang dugyot talaga. So I'm just reading the instruction right now. Ang daming letters. Binasa ko na siya pero I still don't get it because I'm dumb as fuck. But anyway, we're just gonna cross the bridge when we get there.
Nope.
Basta, malagay mo lang to sa buong buhok mo, yun lang yun. It's gonna be a disaster. Wala akong gloves. I'm gonna use this. And I'll put it all over my hair. This is why professional need to do this. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. I know it's not like this, but para mas mabilis. I'm gonna get canceled by hairdressers. Puta, nakalimutan ko mag before and after pic. Wala na. Before video na lang. Sige. Char. Mayonnaise yarn. Oh, come. Yeah. Japanese be like. Mayonnaise ka, girl. Big Ed be like, I put mayonnaise in my hair.
Found out that mayonnaise makes it smoother and less dry.
Yan, mukha na akong kengkoy. Anyway, you're gonna cover daw with plastic for 20 minutes. Cover with plastic. Wala naman sinabing cover properly eh. So, ito na. Let's wait for 20 minutes! And then we're gonna iron, then we're gonna put number 2. 20 minutes is up. Time to rinse my hair. Yeah. Oh my god, it's done. I can tell nagsa-straight na siya agad. Oh my god. This is just step 1 ah. So kaka-blow dry ko lang. So magpa-plancha ko ng hair, tsaka ko ilalagay yung application number 2. But so far, I think I like this already. Ayan, ipa-plancha ko na to, Zai. Para Ang sabi sa box, i-cool down muna natin yung hair natin for 2 minutes, tapos saka natin ilagay yung number 2. Nilalagay ko na yung number 2. Parang mayonnaise. Gusto mo yan? Gusto ko yan. Over lang natin. Lagay natin dyan. Lagay. Ganyan, ganyan. So, ito na yon. So, i-cover ko ulit siya ng plastic. Wait time 20 minutes. Kakatapos ko lang nung step number 2, tsaka na-rinse ko na. Ito yung result after ko i-blow dry. Oh my gosh. Para kung may chemical romance. Emo. Pero ang ganda. I love it. Bagay pala sa akin yung straight hair. Wait, pinagpapawisan ako. Wait lang, wait lang. Ito siya guys, oh. Bagay! Okay guys, salamat sa panonood ng aking vlog where I turn my hair straight. And I hope you learned something from here. So yun nga guys, this is after 2 weeks of straightening my hair. Nakalagay sa instruction na you have to wait 3 days bago mo i-wash yung hair mo. Pero hindi, actually within the day, nag-shampoo agad ako. Straight pa rin siya, kahit sinampo ko siya within the day. Okay naman. Wala naman ng kaso. Nadaan na to sa, kasi nag-beach ako, so nadaan na to sa salt water and all. So dapat damaging or what. Pero straight pa rin, is okay pa. Okay pa naman siya. I love it. See? So yun lang. I love that product and super recommend. As in, very easy to do. And hanggang ngayon, straight pa rin siya. Wala naman nagbago. And, yeah. Hindi siya bumalik sa dati. So, guys, thank you so much again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell. Keme. So, yeah. Goodbye, guys!